Latest chika, Tita M. May sinabi kay Donnie pag ikinasal na siya. Saad niya, sabi nga ni Lord, Genesis 2 verse 24, therefore for a man shall leave his father and his mother and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become one flesh. At ito nga ang naging advice ni Tita M kay Donnie. Anak, pag kinasal ka na, i-priority mo yung asawa mo, ang sarili mong pamilya. Always ask your wife, how was her day and what can you do for her? Always tell her she's beautiful. Pray to God to always guard and guide your marriage. Lagi kami nga nasa likid nyo whenever you need us. Sounds of Mama Maricel ay sobrang nakakatouch. She's very perfect kind of mother-in-law. Gusto niya at siya mismo ang makiusap sa anak niya to prioritize his family na ginawa niya to always prioritize his wife. Dagdag pa nga ni Tita Maricel, kaya naging sagrado kasi ang kasal because when you go into your marriage and when your parents gives you the consent, yung tipong dahil may consent ako, I gonna give way to wife, not me, na nanay niya. Kasi may wife na siya. The greatest thing a parent can give their child is a happy marriage. Wag na dapat makipag-argue, wag nang maging papida just because you're the parents. Let those children build their dreams together. Let them decide because you let them vows parehas in front of you, in front of everybody. And of course, the in-laws should be the reason para patuloy ang pagsasamahan at pagmamahalan ng mag-asawa, not the reason to divide the love in the family, the belt. Hindi ba?